Okay, today I'm going to be working on a piece that has to be cut with a curve on it. I have actually two pieces. It's the ends of an arc that I built, and the keel actually. And so we're going to use this bandsaw. And a bandsaw, though not as dangerous as a table saw, is still relatively, that blade's moving fast. You have to be very careful, and so you don't want to get your fingers close to the blade while it's running. So we're going to do that, and I'll show you how that works. Here we go. One of the things about a bandsaw is the width of or the depth of the blade, and you can only make turns based on how deep that is. Sometimes you have to take 2 or 3 bites at it to get the right curvature. Of course, this will all be sanded down to fit the shape, and there you are, 2 pieces.